These are so pretty and so fun to wear. I'm using memory wire because it has a natural curve to it. I'm also using stainless steel chain and aquamarine gemstones. I made one side already, so let me show you how to make the other side. Using my memory wire bracelet roll, I need 2 pieces of this wire. I need 1.5 inches and 1 inch. So let me cut the 1.5 inches first. And using my memory wire snippers, I'm going to do that 1.5 inch, and then I'm going to do 1 inch, I also need 2 pieces of chain, so I'm going to cut one piece 1.5 inches long and the other 1 inch long, and I'm going to use my memory wire cutters for this too, because this is stainless steel chain. So let me cut the 1 inch. Then I need to make 2 loops, one on each piece of wire at the very end. Coming in with my round nose pliers, I'm going to turn and turn until I can form my loop. Okay, let's do the other one. Next, I need to make my dangles. So I'm using 3 aquamarine, and these are 4 millimeters. These are also stainless steel head pins, and these are 3/4 of an inch. Putting on my aquamarine, I'm going to form a simple loop on all 3 head pins. So I'm going to take my chain nose pliers, bring the wire to the back, then I'm going to cut some of the wire off of the end. Just kind of have to eyeball it, so that looks good. Then using my round nose pliers, I'm going to turn the wire back towards me to form my simple loop. I'm going to do this on all 3 of my gemstones. Now I'm going to add 2 gemstones to the chains, and I'm going to leave 1 out. So let's open up our simple loop, turning it to the left, adding our chain, and closing it back up. Let's do the next one. Opening up our simple loop, adding our chain, and closing it up. Let's recap what we have. We have the longer chain with a gemstone on it, the shorter chain with a gemstone on it. We have one lone gemstone that's got a simple loop on it, a leverback, our 6mm jump ring, and our 2 pieces of wire, one 1.5 inch and one 1 inch. Now we can start putting our earring together. I'm going to open up the jump ring. I'm going to add the longer wire first, the longer chain next. In the middle, I'm going to put the dangle. Then I'm going to add the chain. And for the last one, I have to look to see which way the first wire is facing. So this is curved facing toward me. So I want the curve to be in the back, facing the other way. Then I'm going to add my leverback and close up my jump ring. And there you have your beautiful aquamarine dangles. Thanks for joining me. See you again next time.